you are from Argentina, correct?
From Argentina, Mendoza,
Yes.
specifically in the west, where it's very close to Chile,
Yes.
and it's a beautiful place. Yeah.
Yeah, I look forward to being able to visit there one day.
It's a land of wine, a good wine.
Oh, a land of wine, and I don't drink.
Yeah.
I don't drink, but maybe I'll take somebody who does with me.
The best Malbec in the world came from Mendoza. You know?
Ah, wonderful.
Yes, yes.
So tell me a little bit about your life there before coming to America. Share with me, what your experience, your life experience was, and then why you ended up deciding to come to America.
All my life, I was an entrepreneur. Really, I spent a lot of time trying to be aware of that, because at the beginning it's not easy, because depend of your education and what your parents, told you at the beginning, get a job, a paycheck every month. And for me, it was very hard to understand that I was an entrepreneur.
Mm-hmm.
But since I was 17, I had a different kind of business. I was representing artists, and that was crazy. I was only 17 years old, and when I was representing, local artists, to find places to play, and that was at the beginning. But I was studying business administration, trying to find an option to be an employee, really,
Yeah.
to follow the rules. But what I understood, and thanks for a teacher I had, like he told me, hey, you are an entrepreneur, all the time this is what you are doing, this is what you love to do. Why are you looking for a job? You have to create, you have to generate jobs. And that was, for me, was incredible. I had call center. We were selling product to Spain, from Argentina to Spain, telemarketing. Really, I was selling all the time. I was a seller. I'm a seller as well. I love to sell. But Argentina, with the economy is sometimes it's so hard to be successful, because you have inflation and you have many variables that you can't control. Then I had my experience in my own restaurants. I opened 3 vegetarian restaurants. That was incredible. That was very successful, but the inflation was eating my profit.
Sure.
And most of the people believe that, oh, you are very successful, you have a lot of money, but really the reality was that it's killing all my profit.
Yes.
I was trying to survive there, really, trying to make my own business. At the same time, sometimes you have to decide, okay, this can continue. This has to stop. When I decided to came to America was
Yes.
at the end of 2015, I was talking with my wife, and I said, I'm 35 years old, and really I need to make a big decision, because if we continue here with this economy, being an entrepreneur, I guess that I have to go to the land of the entrepreneurs, And I say, okay, all the time I was, watching movies from America, and it's the land of opportunities, and I say, okay, that is real, that was my question all the time, and I said, I had to make a change. I feel that inside, right? It was
Sure.
in the deep of my heart, and in less than 4 months, we solved everything. We solved everything. With my 2 kids and my wife, we came to America. That was crazy. Only with $3,000 in my pocket,
Yes.
but with many dreams and all my energy, trying to be focused in my goals. But at the beginning was really tough.